Now, the breaking news coming in as we said, the verdict is now out, and in fact, Shehzad Ahmed has, the main accused, has been convicted, and he's been found guilty, in fact, of killing Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma. And that is, of course, the big breaking news at this hour, that verdict in the Batla encounter case, now coming 5 years after that. The trial court now announcing that Shehzad Ahmed, who's the young man from Azamgarh in Uttar Pradesh, and he has in fact been found guilty of killing Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma, remember, who was part of that encounter 5 years ago in Delhi's Batla House, which is in the Jamia Nagar area. And we'll just try to get you details on what exactly happened in the court today and what exactly... All right, we're just going to try and get Tanima up in just a bit, who's been tracking all of those details in that verdict and was in fact present in the trial court when that verdict was announced. But for now, the big breaking news at this hour is that Shehzad Ahmed has in fact been found guilty of killing Mohan Chand Sharma. And Tanima now joins us for more details on that. Tanima, take us through what's happened in court today.
Kashish, as you just heard short while back, the order, the verdict in that case has just come out, where the court has in fact found the accused in this case, Shehzad Ahmed, guilty of killing Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma, who was killed, who had in fact been previously injured in this operation and later succumbed to his injuries. They have also found him guilty of attempting to kill two policemen who were part of this operation, and they have also found him guilty of obstructing, of destruction of evidence. These are just some of the charges that had been put by, the police had in fact charged Shehzad Ahmed with. Remember that Shehzad Ahmed was one of the 4 accused in this case. 3 others, two alleged suspected terrorists had in fact been killed in this operation by the Delhi police, and another person has in fact been missing since then. He had apparently fled from the spot. So Shehzad Ahmed was actually the only person who had been arrested by the Delhi police in this particular case. The charges that have been framed in this case was primarily that of murder, attempt to murder, destruction of evidence, and obstructing a public servant from carrying out his duty. This was during the Batla House operation in September 2008, a week after the Delhi blasts in Delhi, that the police, the special cell of Delhi police, had in fact got an input that several people, operatives of the Indian Mujahideen, were allegedly holed up inside this particular house at L18 of Batla House, and they had gone in order to apprehend some of these people. And right after that, there was a shootout that took place. The police claim that they had in fact been fired upon first, which is why in self-defense they shot back. And during that time, during that operation, 2 suspected terrorists also got killed. 2 others in fact had been arrested by Delhi police. One person had in fact, one of those 2 had in fact surrendered to the police later, but Mohammad Saif and Zishan had later been allowed to go by the Delhi police since they did not find their involvement in this case. Shehzad Ahmed in fact was arrested much later by the UP police and then later handed over in transit remand to the Delhi police. The Delhi police believe that he was actually present inside the house at that time and had in fact been involved in the shootout. So today the court was in fact deciding on whether or not Shehzad Ahmed is actually guilty of killing Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma, who was injured previously and later succumbed to his injuries during that operation. And the court has in fact passed an order just a short while back finding him guilty in this case. Kashish.
In a sense, this seems to bear out what the Delhi police has been saying all along. So this is going to be a big relief for the Delhi police's special cell.
That's right. In fact, lots of questions had in fact been brought up over the past 5 years, Kashish, regarding this entire operation, about the manner in which it was conducted. Questions were raised about the way in which Inspector Chand actually got shot at and later died because of his injuries, because it was questioned that if this module of Indian Mujahideen, the leader in fact, Atif Amin, the leader of this particular module, was apparently present in that house and was one of those alleged terrorists who had in fact been shot dead during this operation. He had been killed in that encounter. So if they were actually going in for such a big catch, then why weren't the police adequately prepared for it? They were not wearing bulletproof jackets, and in fact some of the terrorists, according to the police's version itself, had escaped from the spot. So there wasn't enough force around that area. The local police, this is a specialized cell, specialized unit of the Delhi police which had gone in for that operation. The local district police had not been informed about this operation at all. So why wasn't there adequate preparation for this operation? So it is, in fact, there are several holes had in fact been poked in the police's version for the past 5 years now. In fact, even politicians, several political leaders, even from the ruling party, had commented about it, questioning whether this was actually a genuine encounter or not. That is, of course, not been decided by the court today. The court's domain today was entirely to decide whether or not Shehzad Ahmed is guilty or not of killing Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma, who was injured in that incident, and they have found it, and the court has found Shehzad guilty, the lone suspected terrorist who has in fact been arrested by the Delhi police in this case. So it is a huge relief for the special cell, since they had been facing a lot of doubts, suspicions and questions that had been raised on this operation for quite some time now. But yes, we have to remind our viewers that at the moment there's a separate trial going on to figure out whether the people who have in fact been arrested from Batla House and were found to be, and according to the police, were involved in the Delhi serial blasts, whether they are guilty or not. That is a separate trial which is going on. Today the court has just decided that Shehzad Ahmed has in fact been found guilty of shooting at police officers who had gone for that operation, and some of those shots which were fired also led to the death of a police officer. Kashish.